The 10 best things to do in Greece. Number 10. Visit the Palace of Knossos in Crete. The Palace of Knossos is an ancient Minoan palace complex located in Heraklion, Crete. It is believed to have been the center of Minoan civilization and is famous for its impressive architecture and vibrant frescoes. Visiting this historical site is a must for any history buff, but it can be crowded during peak tourist season. Number 9. Explore the Monasteries of Meteora. Meteora is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and home to 6 incredible Eastern Orthodox monasteries, built atop towering rock formations in central Greece. The monasteries offer stunning views of the surrounding landscape and are a testament to the power of faith and human ingenuity. Visitors should be prepared for a steep climb to reach some of the monasteries, but the effort is well worth it. Number 8. Discover ancient Olympia. The ancient city of Olympia was the birthplace of the Olympic Games and home to the Temple of Zeus, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. Visitors can explore the ruins of the stadium, gymnasium, and other important structures, as well as visit the Olympia Archaeological Museum to see artifacts from the ancient site. Number 7. Hike the Samaria Gorge in Crete. The Samaria Gorge is the longest gorge in Europe, stretching over 16 kilometers through the White Mountains of Crete. Hiking the gorge is a challenging but rewarding experience, offering breathtaking views of the natural beauty of Crete. Visitors should be prepared for a long hike with steep descents and rocky terrain. Number 6. Visit the Acropolis and Parthenon in Athens. The Acropolis and Parthenon are among the most famous landmarks in Greece and must-visit destinations for any traveler to Athens. The ancient ruins offer a glimpse into the country's rich history, and the magnificent Parthenon is one of the most impressive ancient temples in the world. Number 5. Explore the island of Santorini. Santorini is a stunning volcanic island known for its whitewashed buildings, blue domes, and spectacular sunsets. Visitors can explore the island's picturesque villages, hike to the top of the island's volcanic caldera, and enjoy the local cuisine and wine. Number 4. Visit the Palace of the Grand Master in Rhodes. The Palace of the Grand Master is a medieval castle located in the old town of Rhodes. Built by the Knights of St. John, the castle offers a fascinating glimpse into the history of the island and features beautiful gardens and stunning views of the surrounding sea. Number 3. Swim in the Blue Caves of Zakynthos. The Blue Caves are a series of sea caves located on the island of Zakynthos. Visitors can swim in the crystal-clear waters of the caves and admire the stunning blue reflections created by the sunlight filtering through the water. Number 2. Sail the Aegean Sea. The Aegean Sea is known for its crystal-clear waters, stunning islands, and beautiful coastline. Renting a sailboat or joining a guided sailing tour is a popular way to explore the region and see some of the most beautiful destinations in Greece, such as the Cyclades Islands, Mykonos, and Paros. Number 1. Visit the island of Crete. Crete is the largest island in Greece and offers something for everyone, from beautiful beaches and stunning natural landscapes to rich history and vibrant culture. Visitors can explore ancient ruins, hike in the mountains, enjoy delicious food and wine, and relax on the island's beautiful beaches. Thank you for watching this video about the 10 best things to do in Greece. I hope this will help you out on planning your trip to Greece. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe by clicking the button on the right. I also have another video ready for you on the left side. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next one.